Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide. So today we are going to be doing a charging test on the iPad Pro 2018. The one I've got here is the 11-inch. It's got a 7812 milliamp battery, and right now it is at pretty much dead right now. So as you can see, I'm pressing the power button right now, and it just would not turn on, guys. Not gonna, oh, see, completely empty. So we're gonna time this and see how long it will fully charge to 100%. We are gonna be using the wall charger here that came inside the box. I'm not too sure the specs on this wall charger, but I'm gonna be using this, and we're gonna charge it and time it and see what we will get from it. So here we go, let's plug this in. Let me grab my power source, or what is this called? I'm not too sure. The surge brick? I'm not too sure, guys. So here we go, 0% to 100%. We're gonna charge this while it's powered on, and I'm gonna switch it and then press the timer. So here we go. Okay, so it is charging right now, guys. There you go, it's powering on. And at the same time, we could check the temperature. So here we go. So we're at 24.9. Nice and cool. Wow, 24.49. Okay, 25.6. All right, so we're gonna check every 1 hour and see what kind of charging we get in between. So let's see where we at right now. Oh shoot, we're at 1%. Okay.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Price on y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate, I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record. record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to go to the stone for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.
So we are at 99% and the time is 2 hours and 37 minutes. Oh, there you go guys. 100%. 100%. It just changed right there. So it took 2 hours and 37 minutes from 0 to 100%.
So y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate, I woke in a bar today, got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it.